As per the Hindu scriptures, there are 4 yugas in the timeline of the whole universe. Those are Satyug, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. According to the celestial predictions and the timeline of this whole universe, the 4th yuga or the era of darkness is going on. It is the Kali Yuga in which humanity will suffer severely and all the ethics, morals and God-related evidences would be lost. Only a few handful of people would remember about the Almighty and His powers. But there is something more striking and strange about it. It is said that when this yuga will come to an end, Lord Vishnu's last avatar, the Kalki avatar, will be born and will fight the darkness. The Kalki avatar will also be the most fearsome and fierce avatar of Lord Vishnu. The Kalki avatar will form an alliance with the 7 Chiranjeevs that are still alive on this earth. He will fight with the most powerful demon of this whole timeline. But who is that demon? And why not Kalki avatar will be able to fight with that demon alone but will have to form an alliance with the 7 Chiranjeevs? The answer to this question is also given in the Kalki Puran. This monster will be the most powerful demon of this whole timeline, as I said earlier. That is the Kali Purush. Kali Purush was born from the dark wish, Halhala, or the poison that was obtained during the Samudra Manthan. When Lord Shiva tried to drink that poison, one drop of that fell out of the container, and this is how Kali Purush was formed. The Kali in the word Kali Yuga is said to be Kali Purush. It is predicted that at the time of the end, Kali Purush will take a materialistic form and his energy will be so powerful that he would be able to descend to earth and would astray people with his dark powers. The people will believe that he is the supreme ruler because of their bad deeds. But also, another captivating thing about this is that this prediction is not only done in Hinduism but also in several other religions like Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity and etc. The concept of this prediction in Sikhism, Jainism and Buddhism is pretty much same as Hinduism, but in Islam and Christianity and Greek, the name is just changed. The Kalki avatar in the Islam, Christianity and Greek prediction is referred to as the Holy Messiah and the Kali Purush as the Antichrist or the Dajjal.